Hi YouTube, today we will be learning how to use asynchronous request in Python. First thing you have to do is import async.io and random. Then you define a function, but instead of defining it like a normal function, you write async in front of it. On a new line, you make a special sleep request using async.io, and then you make a print request that prints hi, and then ID, which we will define later. After that, you make another function called main and define a variable named task, which will be an empty array for now. And then you make a for loop, which goes in range for 1,000, and it will append hi, the function earlier, and I. So this means that ID will be equal to whatever I equals. Then you make a new request for async.io to gather the tasks. And finally, on a new line, you define the loop, which will be async.io.getEventLoop. And you make a try function, which will run the loop until complete, the function until complete, the function main, and then finally it will close the loop.